Routine social media platforms may seem boring. Want to try out the latest trending social media platform with a rich user experience? Onpassive's ONet is a revolutionary AI-powered social media platform, making your communications easier with your loved ones. Witness the attractive new look of ONet. Its improved layout is not only appealing to individual users, but also for the businesses. ONet provides users with an easy and efficient way to connect with others and express themselves creatively. One of the outstanding features of ONet is the option to schedule posts, so you never miss out on any special days in your calendar. It offers a variety of tools to help you engage with other users. You can like and comment on the posts, and you can share those posts on your feed. You can join multiple clubs based on your interests and participate in online discussions. Connect with other businesses and potential customers like never before. Promote your products and services with unique posts. ONet is super easy to use. Whether tech-savvy or a beginner, you can easily make the most of its features. Additionally, this platform has a unique blog feature that allows you to share info directly with your users. Another great feature of ONet is its multimedia capabilities. The platform supports various media types, including photos and videos. Whether you want to share a funny moment or your thoughts on a topic, ONet has you covered. The platform also features a podcast function to enhance user experience and engagement. Not only does it help in building relationships, but it also provides an epic opportunity to network and learn from the best in your industry. This can lead to new business opportunities and help you stay ahead of the competition. Don't wait. Sign up now and unleash ONet's full potential. Visit onpassive.com and get free access to ONet right now. Stay tuned for more updates.